They got a guess. Maybe if it starts. There you go. Parents, any guesses?
Lion.
Is she right? Yeah, good job, good job. All right, the next one is this one. Don't see it, don't see it. Here we go. Yes! All right, next one, ladies, is this one. All right, next one's this one. Harder, yes. Turtle. Oh, I heard one of the right answers. I don't know who it came from. What was it? Turtle. Turtle. Very good. All right, ladies. All right, audience. Just shout it out if you know it. Elephant. Elephant. Good job. Ladies, because they're getting all of them right, that means you're doing a good job. All right, this one. All right, now we're going on to habitats. So this is a little bit more tricky. All right, ladies, ready? This one. Habitats are where you might find these animals. Like at the zoo. Yes, boys. They were fish, but where do fish live? In the water. Where, do you remember what it was called, ladies? Do you remember? This was a hard one. We had two hard words. This is an aquarium. So we were things that you find at the aquarium. All right, this one is a SAT word. All right, but ladies, it's this one. All right? Or at least it's a high school word. They were birds, and birds live in an aviary. So we talked about the aviary. Yes, big words. All right, this one's really, really tricky. We got two left for you. Dinosaur bones. And this last one, ladies, I want to make sure I have enough time to do the next thing. So.